Hi, I'm Rebecca with ButtonMakers.net, and today I'm going to go over using our design tool to mask out pixels using an icon. So I have a customer who's got a very specific problem, and I'm making this video for her, but I thought I'd go ahead and upload it for everyone just in case anyone else has this same issue. So first of all, designer.buttonmakers.net is where our design tool lives. This program is made for people who are making campaign style buttons on themselves, so you can lay out a page of button graphics and print it out on your home computer. So when you go to designer.buttonmakers.net, the first thing you'll do is log in. Um, and then the very next thing you'll do is select the size that you're working with. So she's using 1 1/4, so that's what we're going to change this to is 1 1/4. Then the next thing we're going to do is click Upload Image here to bring up this dialog box, and then Upload Image dialog box. We're going to click on her graphic and upload it. For ease, I'm going to go ahead and turn off this icon for now and some of these additional text layers using these buttons at the bottom. All graphics are square. Sometimes you'll find a circular looking graphic that's got white pixels on the border, or sometimes a transparency, but essentially all graphics are square. And so a lot of times you'll have like a background color that you want to get rid of, like extra pixels on your round graphics. That's what's happening here. You've got this white area that's part of her uploaded image already. So the design tool does have some limitations, and one of them is that you cannot delete pixels from your uploaded images. But what you can do is use an icon to mask them out. So I'm going to turn the icon back on and click Select Icons here, and then select this icon. The next thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and turn off the shadow, and then I'm going to use this center horizontal and center vertical button right there to center it. I'm going to go ahead and change the color so I can see it, and then I'm going to use the size slider to kind of put it down. And then since I know that my graphic is centered, or my icon is centered, I'm going to try to move this around. Go ahead and center that too. And then I'm going to click back on here and move that down a bit. All right, so that is how it looks a little off to me still. So, all right. I'm going to go ahead and just change the text for funsies. Just to go over some of these tools and how they work. There we go. Yeah, okay. So I think that's pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and click Save and Load and save this button. Click Save. Then the next thing we can do is go to Print Your Buttons, and we are all done with this button. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions about our design tool at designer.buttonmakers.net.